Well, welcome to Old Classic Car, and today's memorabilia review is for an accessories catalogue issued by Ford in the early to mid-1970s, and it covers the Ford Escort, the Cortina, the Capri 2, the Consul and the Granada. This particular publication isn't dated, but I'm guessing that the presence of Consul for the basic Granada, if I remember right, will probably help date it, so someone will let me know, I'm sure. So let's see what goodies and gadgets you could buy for your brand new Ford in the 1970s. And we begin with a tantalising selection of Ford in-car entertainment. Ford audio equipment is of the highest quality and has been designed to fit all current Ford models. The range consists of 5 quality radios and a superlative stereo cassette tape player. Whichever Ford car you drive, enjoy the great sounds from Ford. And here we have them described in detail. We've got the Ford P21, which is a 2-wave band, medium wave, long wave receiver, equipped with push button pre-selection and automatic wave change. Then we've got the M21, the M23. Over here we have the P32, and over here a stereo 8-track player. Truly luxury of luxuries, and a wing-mounted aerial should you require one, because if you're fitting a radio you're going to need an aerial. Over the page we have fog and long-range spot lamps, all designed for your Ford. And over here some safety related goodies, an interior dipping mirror, rear fog lamp, air horns and inertia reel seat belts, no less. All very useful, especially if you change driver quite regularly, and a static belt was just a bit of a nuisance. Over here we have body side repeat flashers, wing mirror and a 4-way flasher. Very handy. Those cars were still fairly basically equipped even in the 1970s. Now for the enthusiast, the sports road wheel, a stylish wheel of strong steel construction, all models except the Escort. That looks very Granada style, if my memory serves. And we've got the rally gear knob, a map reading lamp, perfect for those nighttime road rallies, a sports mirror, and exhaust trims to add to the smart appearance of your car. And over the page for some more Dagenham delights. Pleasant motoring, sunroof air deflector, got a cigar lighter kit. Ford cigar lighter adds greater convenience to your driving, available for Escort and Cortina. We've got these clip-on headrests, I'm not sure how safe they were, but back in the 70s, never mind. Rubber mats, contour rubber mats, and so on. And then we have travelling equipment, roof racks, luggage tail grid, mounts easily on the boot lid, extended rear view mirrors, and of course a tow bar. Ideal for the caravanners out there. Now, for added convenience, mud flaps, locking fuel cap, reflective door buffers, a dual purpose accessory, protects door paintwork and alerts following vehicles to your presence, and a wiper washer kit. Very handy. Now, for your Ford Escort, you could buy some luxury wheel trims, a door mirror, a reversing lamp, and overriders, bumper overriders with a small rubber insert. Oof. Luxury indeed. And then for your Ford Cortina, you can have a sports steering wheel, Mark III Cortina I'm guessing, some rather natty wheel trims and hubcap combinations, a sports wheel cover for the high performance look, and bumper underriders, a functional accessory for extra bodywork protection. Then over the page to the Ford Capri buyer, the car you always promise yourself. Bumper overriders, again, a bit plasticky looking, but well, it was the 1970s. Elegant rear view door mirrors, and again, sports road wheels, just to set your Capri apart from all the other ones. And for your Ford Granada and Consul, we're getting to the big saloons now. Fog lamps, a clock, a neat accurate clock, dashboard mounted, wheel covers, again bumper overriders, and a sports steering wheel. Strong safe construction ensures positive grip under all driving conditions, a must for the sporting motorist. And over here, a few useful things if you're planning on breaking down. Wheel brace, toolkit. Did it not come with a toolkit standard? A swivel plug spanner and a fire extinguisher, a Ford branded fire extinguisher no less. So if you're preparing your car for concours, this is what you want to have laid out in your boot area when you're displaying your car. Keeper is lovely to look at as the day you met. A range of Motorcraft products here: car shampoos, de-icers, tar removers, vinyl roof cleaner, wash and wax, liquid car wax, chrome cleaner and three-way car polish. The complete beauty treatment for the car in your life. Motorcraft Antifreeze Plus, the 2-year antifreeze for all year round protection. Inhibits corrosion, cools in summer and prevents freezing in winter. And finally, we go over here. Over the page we have a list of the illustrations of Ford motor oils, Ford branded motor oil. No substitute for careful servicing, indeed. And then the auto paints for repairs to minor body scratches. There's a complete range of touch-in paints in both aerosol and brush-on cans to make the job easy. So if you scratch your Cortina, this will do the job, in theory. Right. When it comes to replacement parts, Motorcraft is your friend by the look of it. For performance and reliability, insist on Motorcraft, the original equipment quality parts engineered for your car. So there you have it. So that was the list of car accessories available for mid-1970s Ford cars in the UK market. Hope that was of interest. Please like if possible, and subscribe to the channel, and more videos coming along very soon. Thanks for watching.